Maharaj, I wanted to ask what I can do practically, or how should I read Srila Prabhupada's books so that we get more absorption and taste in reading. Also, how can we get more absorption in spiritual things than absorbing in material things? Yeah. So first, how to develop interest or become absorbed in reading Srila Prabhupada's books and get the taste in reading. The taste in reading will come only when you love the topic. Like when you love the topic, then you are absorbed in it. When you don't love the topic or when you don't have interest in that topic, then we'll find it not interesting or rather boring. Like for example, if you want to become an engineer, because you have your interest in the subject, when you read the books of engineering, how do you feel? When you are studying engineering, the books you are absorbed completely. Because you have interest in that, you have some goal. But you're studying engineering, and if you get a book on medicine, will you find it interesting? No. Why? Because you don't have love for the topic. Therefore, in order to appreciate Srila Prabhupada's books or find the books interesting and be absorbed in that, you have to love the topic. Topic about Krishna. When you have that interest on the topic, then yes, you'll become very, very absorbed. Now the question is, what do we do when we haven't developed that interest? That's why the sadhana bhakti. You like it or not, read it. Practice it. You want to learn to swim. If you don't go into the water, will you ever learn how to swim? But when you are learning, you go into the water and you drink a lot of water. A lot of water goes through your mouth, a lot of water goes through your nose. But you still keep on throwing your legs and feet, hands. And one day you see that, you're swimming. So practice leads to perfection. So keep on practicing. And the way to practice properly, you have a notebook and a pen. When you are reading Prabhupada's books, take notes. That is what will bring absorption. Take notes. Things that are interesting, you found, just note it down. So when you are reading, you'll find the reading is becoming absorbing.